Hello there. So you want to know how you can return items in store on Target? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first of all, simply go ahead and open your Target application. And once you've done that, I hope you've already logged in into your account. Tap on the My Target icon on the bottom right hand side of your screen. And if you scroll all the way down, you can see there is going to be return policy. Simply tap on that, and now as you can see, you can return for Target brand items with a receipt up to 365 days, and then for most items sold by Target, 90 days, and for most Target Plus items, you can return it till 30 days. Now in order to go ahead and do your returns on the store, what you need to do is simply go ahead and scroll down, click on this drive up. So start a return, let us know you're coming, right, as you can see, and tell us when you arrive. That is about it. So when you click on that, it's going to show you which order has the item. Simply tap on the order, and then it's going to ask you what day you're going to be going to, and then simply go ahead and put the date, and then when you arrive there, just go ahead and talk to the staff and they'll happily return your products. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button.